guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel Embracing Life. I know this video is coming out a little bit late, but I was super busy this month, so I couldn't make time for this. I'm really sorry for that. So here finally I'm back with my budget check-in video. Let's see how I did with my budget. Before I start the video, a little disclaimer about me is that I am not a spendthrift person as such. I don't usually spend a lot, but I am a foodie, a very big foodie, so whatever, most of my money goes for outside food only. I mean, yeah, that's just a fact about me. So without any further ado, let's directly start the video. So this was the budget that I created for August. Let's see what I am left with in this month, in the end of this month. So I'll just try to zoom it a bit. So the budget with which I was working was 8,200 rupees, and that was the actual thing. I don't know why I have this extra column here. So let's start with this. For giving, I still have this money left sitting right there. I didn't spend it, so my actual is still 200 rupees. I didn't spend anything. Next comes for the expenses categories. Now here is what I have gone way above my budget. For eating out, my budget was 1,000 rupees and I have spent 1480 rupees. Yes, here is what I have gone overboard this time. I mean, I think like this category I will go overboard every month. Let's just see how this goes. For travel, since this is the lockdown and I don't travel that much, it's just 245. So 1 minute. This was the spending, so I have written it down here. So this was the money that I've actually spent, so the remaining amount will be 255. This is what I was left with. And for fun, this also I went overboard with 942. I only allocated 300, but I used up 942 rupees in fun. And miscellaneous, I am not taking it because I mean obviously this will be used up in these, so I will be left with nothing here, so I'll just mark a 0. So it comes out to be in negative. I'll just tell you what I did with this. So the total amount was 2,000 here, and let's just see how much this one comes up to be. So 140 is 2,677. So let me write it down. Which is a negative of 677 here. Oh my god. Well, for those of you who don't know, this is available for you guys as a freebie. You can just DM me on my Instagram link and Instagram channel. You guys can also get this budgeting sheet and budget for yourselves. So for the next comes the sinking funds. The high priorities one. For emergency, I didn't use this money, so it's still there. For medical, I have used up 200 rupees, so now I'm left with 100 rupees. Travel, I am left with 500 rupees. I didn't go anywhere, so it's still there. For gifts, I didn't give anything today, I mean this month, so it's also there, 1,000 rupees. And gifts, I will be needing this very soon because all the festive seasons are gonna start in India. So let's see what happens to this. My birthday is also 500 rupees. I have not touched it yet because my birthday is also coming very soon. Actually the festive season and my birthday both are in the same month, and I know you guys have guessed it in which month it is. If you have, let me know in the comments below and I'll see how much you have guessed. Next comes the festivals. as I said, festivals are approaching here, so 200 is still there. Subscriptions I have given up. This subscriptions money I have paid online, so this cash will go back to the bank, and in the next month I'll restuff it again. So the total comes out to be, I think, 2,800. So this was my high priorities one. For the low priorities one, for personal, I didn't use anything, so it was there, it's still there. For shopping also I didn't buy anything, so it's still there. Entertainment was nothing, clothing was nothing. Self-care is also there, I didn't use this money as well. And hobby also I didn't use it, so they're all still there. So for the low priorities one, everything is still there, I didn't spend it. Wow, this budget looks really nice, but I know I still have to manage here somehow. I need this 677 rupees from somewhere, which I don't know because the miscellaneous amount also I have used up, but I have saved up all here. So let's see, I might allocate some money from here into this, or maybe in the next month's cash stuffing I might put back the money here also. Let's see how it goes. I'll just remove this bad piece of paper from here. So this was my quick budget checking video. I hope you like it. This was really short. So the next video is going to be the budget with me video for the month of September. Stay tuned for that, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and please like this video and do all the beautiful stuff so that you can help me grow as well. And of course, do visit my shop. You can get a lot of budgeting materials there. I'm sure you will like it. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.